Okay, so here we are on our laptop screen. First of all, you have to open Chrome and open YouTube in your Chrome. And always try to open your Gmail channel Gmail ID. As you can see here that this is my channel Gmail ID. So I will click on this logo. Here I have to click on YouTube Studio or setting. Whatever you want, you have to just click on any one of these. After clicking on setting, a new menu will appear here. You can find different options. You just have to click on first, that is channel status and after clicking on this, it will take a little bit time, but what you have to do, you just have to wait for a while. Now close this page. After closing this page, so this is my channel dashboard. What you have to do on the left side of your screen, here is the second option, that is content. Just click on contents. After clicking on contents, a new menu will appear here with all of your channel uploads. Remember that if you want to add cards to your video, you have to click that video. Right? Let's say for example, I am going to add card to my this video. As I added cards here to my this video, let me show you that how we can add cards. So this is my video here and you can see the card here. The first card comes here and I just place another title, so it
तो
will
आज की
appear
शॉर्ट
after
वीडियो में
50.
हम ये बात करने वाले हैं कि हम किस तरह से
Let me
अपने
see
चैनल
you.
की लोगो और
Let me
बैनर
show
इमेज
you.
को चेंज
Yes,
कर
it
सकते
works
हैं।
here. As you can
मतलब
see here,
आप किस तरह से अपने चैनल
suggested
की
video, how
इमेज
to
और
change
बैनर
YouTube
इमेज
channel
को
art
सेट
logo
कर
like
सकते
this,
हैं
right?
और
Remember
किस
that
तरह
this is
से
called
चैनल का
suggested
नेम
video
और
card.
इसका
So
डिस्क्रिप्शन
we
हम
are going
लेते
to
हैं।
add
तो
such
ये
type
सारी
of things
बात
for
इस
video,
वीडियो में।
right? So you have to open your upload here. Let's say for example, I am going to add this video and I am going to show you that there is no cards yet here. Let me show you this
If you
video
want to
first.
sell online,
Skip
make sure you stand out.
it and
Go to Wix
as you can see here, there after watching for 15 seconds, there is no
a
card
new
here,
Gmail
no
ID
cards appear
for
here,
making a
right?
new YouTube
As you can
channel.
see that
In
there is
this
no
short
card, but
video,
we are
I
going
will
to
show you
add
that
a
how
card
we
here
can
that
create
will appear
a
after
new Gmail.
15 seconds watching the video, right? So you have to click on the detail option. After clicking on the detail option, a new menu will appear with different options. Just scroll down the page. Here you will find an option by the name of cards. Just click on cards. After clicking on cards, a new menu will appear here. What you have to do, as you can see that this is my complete length, the video complete length. Let's say for example, I am adding a card after 15 seconds. I will click after 15 seconds, right? And we'll click on, let's say I'm going to add a video title here. So I will click on plus option. So these are the videos. Let me add the first video, how to add banner to channel, this one, right? And again, now this is added here. Let me add again here, right? Let me add second card at seconds 50 or after 1 minute. Let me add a card here again and video and this one, right? So I added two cards, one after watching video for 15 seconds it will appear and the other one is after watching video for 1 minute, this will appear. So what I have to do now, just click on yes button. After clicking on this button, let me show you whether it works or not. Just go back and play the video. This was the video. Let me play the video or show you that whether it works or not. So I think it will work because the card option appears here. So after watching for 15 seconds, we are going
Welcome once
to check
again.
whether
So in
it
this
works
short
or
video,
not.
I am going to show you that how we can make
11
a
seconds
new
watch till
Gmail
here.
ID for
Now after
making a
15
new
seconds,
YouTube
it
channel.
will
In
appear.
this short video,
Now
I
you
will
can
show
see
you that
that
how
how to
we
add
can
banner to a
create
channel. So
a
this
new
will work.
Gmail
Now
account
if
in
someone
order
click on
to
this
create a
one,
new YouTube
so
channel. But
he or
before
she
going to
will be
start our
redirected
video,
to
if
your
you have
next
not
one.
subscribed
Now
our channel
after
yet,
watching
please
for 1 minute,
subscribe our channel
another
and
card
also
will
press the bell
appear.
icon.
Top
Let me
and
show you
then
whether
search for
it
YouTube.
works or not for the
After
second
searching
time.
for YouTube, when the
And
new
1 minute
menu
completed.
appears, just
As you
click on
can
the
see, another
first
card
site, that
appeared
is
here. How to
YouTube.
create a YouTube channel
Wait
card.
for a while,
So this was a
the
short video that
YouTube
how we can
menu
add
will open.
a suggested video title
Now
or
as
how
we
we
are
can
going
add
to
a
make
cards to
a
our YouTube
Gmail
channel.
ID for
Remember
our
that
new
doing
YouTube
such thing,
channel,
adding
so
such
for
thing
that
will
what you have to do,
help
just
you
move toward
to
the
grow your
upright
channel
corner of your
and to
laptop
get and
screen,
to
and here
receive
you can
extra
see an
views
option
from your reviews.
by the name of
So
sign in. Click on
I
that.
hope you got well. Thanks for watching.
After
Stay
clicking on
connected.
that, a new short